Minor flooding is forecast for Burmese River Union from this afternoon to late Friday morning. At 17.0 feet, Flat Creek backs up to Smeltz's Park. At 8 a.m. Wednesday, the stage was 13.4 feet. Forecast: the river is expected to rise above flood stage late this afternoon to a crest of 15.5 feet just after midnight tonight. It will then fall below flood stage late tonight. Flood stage is 15.0 feet.
I'm John Dongye from Detroit, Michigan.
This is a test of the NOAA radio alert system. During hazardous weather and emergency situations, the alert tones which were just broadcast will automatically activate special receivers to alert you of impending hazard. This test is normally conducted weekly around 11 a.m. If hazardous weather is imminent or occurring, the test may be canceled. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the alert tones will only be activated for the following counties in the KXI42 listening area in Missouri, Perry, and St. Genevieve. In Illinois, Randolph and Perry. If your receiver was tone activated, the alert function will automatically reset after the test. This concludes our test for this week, and we will now resume normal programming. Thank you. Rest of today, a chance of showers late.